Complete. It filled the air, it filled the sky. Zion song will never die. It healed the soul, it lift the heart. Zion song, Jah art. No Babylon can drown the sound. Zion song all around. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, eternal flame. Zion song, exalt your name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion song, all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion song, keep it strong. It flow through valley, flow through sea. Zion song, eternity. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion song, Jah light. Me hear it in the morning breeze. Zion song across the seas. It chant the truth, it sing the word. Zion song always heard. Forever holy, never fall. Zion song for all. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion song meek and mild. It rise eternal, never end. Zion song, Jah friend. No Babylon can stop the flow. Zion song always show. Forever holy, strong and free. Zion song destiny. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion song Jahan. When the trumpet sound again, Zion song still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion song bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion song show Jah way. Eternal singing bright and long. Zion song, Jah song. Sing high, sing free. Zion song, eternity. No chain, no wall can bind the word. Zion song always heard. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, her name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion's song still carry on.
Na na na, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruit. Zion garden jar root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise his name. It feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden always more. Forever holy, never gone. Zion garden shining strong. It heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden make it grow. Forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden holy tight. Me plant me
Zion fire, bring your peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire, every day, forever glowing pure and white. Zion fire, hold it tight. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion fire, never done. It cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire, forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire, carry you. It blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion fire still carry on. It rise eternal, pure and strong. Zion fire, just song. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion fire, praise his name. Eternal burning, pure and free. Zion fire, destiny. It blaze the nations, blaze the sea. Zion fire, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion fire still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion fire, bring your peace from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion fire, Yahweh, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion fire, just song. Blaze high, blaze free. Zion fire, eternity. No chain, no wall can quench the flame. Zion fire, call your name. Zion fire, blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion fire, exalt your name. From edge to edge, from dusk to dawn. Zion fire still carry on. Na 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 na. Smoke ganja and drink coconut, yeah man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pan sand, no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like man in mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drumbeat like heart inside. RASTA vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man, stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress about the news them joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them true reggae style. With love and rhythm we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody fi heal the lands. Me nah judge skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them said chant for justice, chant for love, chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trad it right. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drumbeat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Meditation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to secret drum. Rasta youth know where we from. No Babylon distraction can break we soul. Zion echoes forever. Aye, 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 aye. Zion reggae, yeah man. Sound the drum from Zion Hill, heartbeat of the Father's will. It called the nations, called them near. Zion drumbeat, we all hear. From ancient days till present time, Zion drumbeat sound divine. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion drumbeat all around. Zion drumbeat strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song. Zion drumbeat, keep it strong. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion drumbeat by Jahan, forever steady, pure and white. Zion drumbeat, hold it tight. It heal the weary, lift the meek. Zion drumbeat, all hearts seek. From mountain high to valley low, Zion drumbeat always flow. Me feel it in the morning sun. Zion drumbeat never done. It shake the chain, it break the wall. Zion drumbeat, be all. Forever thundering, pure and true. Zion drumbeat carry you. Eternal rhythm, steady flame. Zion drumbeat, praise his name. It rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion drumbeat, bless we all. Forever sounding, never gone. Zion drumbeat, keep it strong. It call the children, call the youth. Zion drumbeat, your truth. Eternal rhythm, mighty sound. Zion drumbeat all around. When the trumpet sound again, Zion drumbeat still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion drumbeat, bring your peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion drumbeat showed your way. Eternal thumping, pure and free. Zion drumbeat, destiny. Beat high, beat low. Zion drumbeat, make it flow. No cheer, no war can stop the tone. Zion drumbeat, set the throne. Zion drumbeat, strong and free. Echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song. Zion drumbeat, keep it strong. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion drumbeat still carry on. Aye, 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 Zion reggae, yeah man. Build on stone of ancient days, temple standing holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make war cease. It hold the chant of drum and song, echo righteous all day long. It shine the truth, it guard the flame. Temple stand in Jah true name. No thief, no liar pass the door. Temple keep the spirit sure. Every stone a sacred word. Every sound the prophet heard. It welcome poor, it welcome meek. It bless the humble heart them seek. It heal the sick, it feed the weak. Temple holy, pure and meek. From mountainside to valley low. Temple light forever glow. It stand eternal, stand divine. Temple built with Jah design. Me kneel within the holy hall. Hear the voice that guide us all. It says stand firm, don't lose your way. Temple bless you night and day. It lift me soul, it calm me mind. Temple show what love to find. Every heart can hear belong. Temple echo holy song. When the morning start to rise, temple glow beneath the skies. It stand forever, never fall. House of Jah command it all. From first chant to final day, temple show the righteous way. Home of spirit, home of flame. Temple blessed in Jah true name. Stand firm, stand tall. Temple of Jah above it all. No hand of hate can break the stone. Temple of Zion keep Jah throne. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make war cease. From dawn to dusk, from now to then, temple guide the soul again. Bada bim, bada bim, bada bim, bada boom. Kaya kushina melo. Oh, oh, Me soul at rest, me mind at ease. No rush, no stress, me take me time. Each draw a prayer, each puff a rhyme. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call your name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me hear the drum beat in me chest. Heartbeat sync with the ancients' quest. Me chant Psalm 23 so soft. While ganja cloud me spirit lift aloft. Me no deal with vanity show. Me find me riches in the roots that grow. Each leaf a teacher, each bud divine. In a garden me find the sign. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call your name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me born Babylon, plan and fear. Inhale wisdom, exhale care. The chalice circle like sacred right. The moon watch over we every night. Me sit in silence, hold your word. Each breath deeper, spirit stirred. Chalice lift me, me vision bright. Meditation make me see the light. Me reason with elder from long time past. Him say youth, hold your love steadfast. Me humble self to the natural flow. Fi see what me eyes alone can't know. Me take me time, me walk the mile. Each draw stretch fi another while. Me inhale hope, me exhale fear. Me no jaja, always near. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call your name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me reason I, me mind so still. Chalice full and Jah do will. Reggae of Zion, man. Gold so pure yet spirit made. Crown of Zion never fade. Rest upon the righteous head. Guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride. Crown of Zion burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame. Every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion bright and true. Bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away. Crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line. Crown eternal, crown divine. It marked the child of righteous ways. Keep it faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock. Crown of Zion firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew. Crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophet's soul. It tell the story lovers told. It guide the people through the flame. Keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright. Crown of Zion share the light. them speak. It teach the heart to live in peace. It make the war and anger cease. Upon the brow of truth it rest, crown of Zion ever blessed. When the trumpets start to blow, crown of Zion start to show. It shine the way, it lights the road. It lift the weary, ease the load. Forever stand, forever reign. Crown of Jah remove the pain. Glory burn like holy fire. Crown of Zion never tire. Shine bright, shine strong. Crown of Zion all lifelong. No gold of man, no earthly fame. Crown of Jah forever same. Crown of Zion bright and true. Bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away. Crown of Jah forever stay. From first breath till judgment day. Crown of Zion light the way. Na na na, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Me sit on me roof, spliff in a hand. Night breeze blow from the promised land. Me burn the herb and me close me eye. Me send up smoke to Jah in the sky. Me no type fi write long letter. Me burn leaf, me reason better. Each puff a word, each breath a flame. The message deep, it call your name. Me no need no Wi-Fi link. The smoke connect more than you think. Me float away in higher sight. Me reach Zion through the night. Smoke rise high like prophecy, carried by wind across the sea. Herb a burn and soul feel free. This a smoke signal from RASTA VIBES. Oh, send the signal high. Tell the stars we testify. Spliff long like Chalice staff. Me take a pull, me soul just laugh. Me thoughts them fly in dub delay. Me chanting rhythm night and day. Me light the fire, me build the dome. Me turn the hut into Jah home. No gold, no crown, no politician, just ital food and deep vision. Me no rush, me breathe and float. Me chant on rhythm like lion boat. Me sailing mind from earth to sun. Each note a prayer, me job not done. Me levitate on the echo drum. Me feel the pulse of what's to come. Galaxy spin in a me brain. Me link with stardust, burn the pain. Smoke twist like spiral key. Unlock gate, fi set I free. No wall, no chain, no Babylon eye. Just pure vision till me die. Yeah, smoke attacking mystery. Floating notes and harmony. Me spirit bright across the sky. With green and gold and red so high. Oh, this a the Rasta code. A message on the smoke road. Double spinning sacred ground. Me hear the earth, me feel the sound. Me soul vibrate at different tone. Me live the vibes, not flesh and bone. Me reason with me ancient self. Me find more truth than book on shelf.
Smoke a spliff inna the morning, yeah, man. Nah, man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf dip on the sea. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors on the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Beside me drum, me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me reading in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truth untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light on Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for child, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
Zion, Jamaica, Reggae man. Them build up tower, but it can't last. System based on shadow pass. Me sight the lies behind this smile. Them feed the youth a toxic style. But we awake, we see the plot. Them selling poison, call it lot. Me bond the chain, me lift me head. Jalight make me spirit fade. Burn Babylon slow. One truth I stop the show. No need for rage or east. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me see the hungry, the poor, the cry. While some fly jet in the sky. But equal rights, a flame still strong. It burn for right, it burn for wrong. Me chant with drum, me voice a sword. Me lyrics sharper than them word. Me burn corruption, me burn them lies. Babylon can't hide from Jah eyes. Burn Babylon slow. One truth that stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me burn them law we sell out man. Me burn the chain and Babylon plan. Me rise with urban heart of steel. Me chant the word that make them kneel. No violence, me burn them fake. Jah fire move like river wake. Me stand tall pan ancient stone. Babylon fall when truth is known. Me teach me youth, fi think and grow. Fi plant new seed and make it show. Me no preach hate, me chant fi cleanse. Me build a bridge, no need fi fence. Babylon crumble slow but sure. Each lie exposed, them can't endure. Me hold the faith, me hold me ground. Till Zion trumpet shake the town. Burn Babylon slow. One truth that stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Yes, burn it slow but burn it real. Zion come and wounds will heal. Plant me care. Urban hope in the same air. Me no deal with concrete scheme. Me live in the natural dream. Each leaf a part of Jah reply. Zion grow when spirit high. Zion grow in a we. Like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifest in air. Me teach the youth fi till the land. Fi feel Jah works in a them hand. The seed them plant, them future build. With every
sing. Me chanting I feel, me reason pure. Love and healing are Jah cure. No wickedness in our yard, only truth and works of God. Zion afar it start in a soul and grow in a will like stories told. Me see the hills wear crown of green like the promise Jah always mean. Me feel the rhythm in every breeze. Zion speak through birds and trees. Me share me harvest, me share me word. No gate, no wall, just love preferred. Zion grow when we overstand that Jah reside in every land. Zion grow in a way like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Yes, Zion grow in a way for all who chant and plant faithfully.
Na smoker. Spliff with Zion reggae. Up in the hills where the moonlight fall. Me sit with me thoughts, hear nature call. No light but the stars them blink above. Me roll one tight with Jah love. Me wrap me dread like lion crown. Me spirit levitate, me soul not drown. Me chant a psalms, me heart beat slow. In the silence, the real truth show. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me walk through grass tall like me fate. Each blade sing a song about life and fate. Them Babylon light, them flicker and fade. But the stars shine truth undiluted and afraid. Me chant for the youth, them lasting stress. For them who hustle but get no rest. Me send out frequency high and clean, like a trumpet blow in a holy dream. No riches in a pocket but me heart full. Me mind sharp, me senses full. Me sight Babylon, tricks and lies. Them build prison with sugar-coated ties. But me nah hate, me elevate. Me create sound, feel liberate. From Zion echo come healing balm. Reggae the sword and love the calm. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me sit by river where cold wind blow and watch how the rhythm of the water flow. It teach me patience, teach me grace. Me see me reflection and find me place. Me nah run down fast, food love. Me build connection from roots above. Me woman beside me, natural queen. No fake, just real love, pure and clean. One spliff, one drum, one breath. Every night a rebirth, no death. Me see spirit in the owl's flight. Me reason deep in the heart of night. Rasta not sleep when wisdom call. Me write down visions on mountain wall. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. diamonds a shine, but me say, give me the herb and sunshine. Gold and silver can feed soul. Them build prison, me walk jagol. Me na inna no Gucci cloth. Me wear me roots, me bun them fraud. Me step on earth barefoot and strong. Me sing for Zion, me chant me song. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Me plant me seeds and wait for feast. Me nah run race for who a drive Benz. Me ride rhythm, me build from friends. Give me roots over riches, love over fame. Me trod with lion heart, me bun them shame. Inna the hills, me smoke and pray. No mansion coulda buy me way. Me rich in spirit, me wealthy still. Cause Jah provide and guide me will. Me no need 10 chain round neck. Me need coconut and hammock check. Me no beg likes on social screen. Me live me life like reggae queen. Me sweep me yard, me grow me food. Me sing in key, me change the mood. Me dep on mission, no competition. Me bring the healing, the real nutrition. From Portland coast to Kingston yard. Me carry roots music like old postcard. Them try fi sell culture like it's a brand, but me live it real, hand to hand. Me wealth no lie in vault or bank. Me store it in rhythm, in ganja plank. Me measure success by calm and joy. Me chant with elders, me build no destroy. Me write with ink of discipline. Me pen me life from deep within. Me no shame fi cry, me no afraid fi feel. Cause real Rasta man a move real. Give me roots over riches, truth over hype. Me sit in silence, me bun the mic. Me rich in faith, me fill with love. Me step on Babylon, rise above. Me wealth not fade like fashion way. Me trod with drum and smoke all day. One little spliff on me rising light. Me nah wait for no Friday night. Every day me reason with Jah. Me nah wait for stage or camera. Me cook Ital with fire stick. Me sing ya bingy when rhythm kick. Me teach me youth bout balance and breath. Me tell them money can't buy debt. Them system flashy but empty still. Me choose the mountain, me choose Jah will. Me heart is full, me belly fed. Me sleep in peace, no fear, no dread. So when you see me humble and calm, know me protect me soul like Psalm. Me chant for ones who not yet free. Me send this vibe across the sea. Me nah wear crown, me wear me smile. Me trod this earth, Rasta style. And though them chase diamonds and checks, me rich with herbs pon me neck.
Reggae and ganja, yeah, man. Na 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 na. Play so high,
body strong, me vibe real firm, yeah man. Early morning, me rise before the sun. Birds then chant, Jah work begun. Me sit and rock, me herb a burn. From this meditation, me never turn. Me rap, me rope, me humble deep. Me spirit rise, me mind asleep. In a silence, me find the word. No preacher need, me soul is hurt. Me breathing slow, me let it go. The smoke rise high, me heart move low. Each time me take, me go more clear. Me hear Jah voice whisper near. Say, meditate and elevate. Free me mind, me shift me state. Ganja leaf for open gate. To higher plane, Jah light so great. Meditate and elevate. No rush, no hate, me clean me plate. Me humble path, me destiny. In the hills of prophecy. Me on the cold chain or flashy ride. Me walk barefoot, truth inside. Me chop wood, me boil me tea. Ital living, set me free. Me plant me greens, me bless the land. The herb grow tall, in a Jah hand. Me not trust, no poison plates. Me energy pure, me spirit straight. Me empress walk, beside me stride. She bring the calm, me bring the guide. We chant psalms under moonlight clear. No fear in our hemisphere. Meditate and elevate. One draw for the stress me face. One chant for the world in a haste. Rasta pace, Jah time no waste. Meditate and elevate. Me nah compete, me nah debate. The herb reveal the deeper truth. From ancient time to Rasta youth. Some smoke for hype, me smoke for grace. Each puff a prayer in sacred space. Me no escape, me elevate. Me feel the love, me clean the hate. Ganja a plant, not crime, not vice. Is the holy bush we meditate twice. Soothe me brain, mend me soul. Guide me vision to higher goal. Me like the chalice with respect. Me no blaze, just fi neglect. Every leaf a blessing, me overstand. Like stars above. Na na na. Split with coconut water, yeah man. Me rise with the sun, face the east. Start the day with herbal feast. Coconut water, mango sweet. Ground fruit keep me on me feet. Me grind me herb, give Jah praise. Live Ital ways for Lenten days. No right now. No kick acting, no soda fake. Ital teach them what's at stake. Me give them stew, me spread your word. Me voice uplift just like a bird. Me no preach loud, me action show. Ital way the youth them grow. And me easy, roots food. From yard to world, Ital food. Me chant, me cook, me live it true. Ital Steppa true and true. So if you're lost, try plant a tree. Let nature guide you.